How to fix Discord microphone not working on Android or iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the source bar and type Discord. Now tap on source at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Discord. Now make sure to update the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings on a device. Now scroll down. Now click on apps. Now go to app management and tap on the search bar. Now type Discord. Now tap on Discord. Now tap on force stop. Now tap on permissions. Now scroll down and find microphone. Tap on microphone. Now make sure allow only while using the app is selected. Now simply go back. Now tap on storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and restart the application. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.